Welcome back to another video. Of me working on the Nissan. Prep for Teesside round to BDC, which is this weekend. Got a few little bits to sort out on the car. The first of which is a brake light. So most people are probably aware that we run a front brake light strip. One of the new rules for this year is a rear brake light strip. So that's going to go across the roof line or top of the window at the top there. And the idea of that is, in case the rear lights get smashed off on the wall, then the judges can still judge whether you're braking or not. And I guess the follow car can still see if the lead car is braking. So yeah, it makes sense, especially as a lot of cars have got fiberglass rear ends, so maybe not running like proper lights and stuff, so quite easy to rip a brake light strip off of, or brake lights off of the rear of the car. So anyway, yeah, I was supposed to have that at round one, completely forgot about it, so yeah, making sure I've got one for round two. So that involved ordering some of this sticky back 12 volt red LED strip. It didn't come with any wires, so I've had to solder on a couple of wires to it, which then I'm going to put some heat shrink over. I'm then going to wire it then onto the brake lights, or into the brake lights, stick it to the thing, give it a test. So yeah, let's do that, see if it works. Right, so I've temporarily stuck down the brake light, as you can see. I need to run the wires through this grommet, and then I need to go into the wiring loom. I've moved the seat out because I have a weld missing on the back of the roll cage, right down there on the door bar on the very bottom, which the scrutineer picked up on last time and asked me to fix for round two. So yeah, I'm going to put a weld on there and find a wire to wire the brake light in, put the seat back in, and then it will be onto a quick nut and bolt check, probably run the car up and change the oil as well. So yeah, let's crack on. So the story so far, the brake light strip is on, and the wiring, I tried to do it as neat as possible. It just goes through the grommet. Perfect weld, it would probably be on the plastic bit on the glass, but I don't know, on the roof seems to be the easiest option. That way the wires aren't going to keep moving. If it will focus, that way the wires aren't going to keep moving as it's opened and closed, and I'm sure you'll be able to see it anyway. So yeah, that's what this is what it looks like. And the front one, exciting stuff. Put the weld on the roll cage. I'm just trying to route the wire in. Now I'm going to put the seat back in, get it on the ramp, have a quick look over it. I've already checked it and looked over it, but I'm gonna, doesn't hurt to double check. Probably run the compressor up, check the tyre pressures, make sure my other set of tyres, new tyres that are on the wheels, are at the right pressures, or hopefully the right pressures. Then I'm going to get all my stuff ready that I need to pack. I don't know, I'm sure there's plenty of stuff to do, but I don't want to spend all night here, so yeah, I guess I will crack on. So although it is 24 degrees in here, it's absolutely pissing it down outside. Let's hope that it's going to be a little bit sunnier for Teesside. So where am I at now? Car's on the ramp, as you can see. Going to change the oil filter and put in the last of my Fuchs Titan Pro S oils. I will be using a different brand of oil from now on. We're not sponsored by Fuchs anymore. In fact, we don't have an oil sponsor at the moment, so I will be switching to a different brand, but more on that later. So yeah, I'm going to get the car up in the air, drain the oil, and have a quick look over it. The seat's back in and the brake light's on, as I showed you earlier. Not looking too bad. I was going to wash the car, but obviously I'm not going to do that tonight. Or I might do that tomorrow if I get time. So yeah, let's go up in the air.
If I gave you a week, would you keep it in a bottle, lie in bed and pour a drink of me? And let your friends think you're developing a problem, but we're happier than they could.
This has been the smallest of updates, but just thought I'd put a video out because I haven't done for a while. And obviously it's Teesside on the weekend, so yeah, hopefully see you all there. If you're planning on going, I'm sure it's going to be an awesome weekend. If it's dry, it's going to be a smoke show for sure. It's always good viewing at Teesside. I'm always a massive fan of the like the banking, because it gives you a full 360 degree, well 180 degree view of the track. So yeah, really good track, and I love driving it and I love spectating. So yeah, can't wait for the weekend. The car is pretty much done. Oil's in it now and everything else is checked. Just going to leave the battery on charge overnight and then pack up tomorrow and get going. So yeah, I will drop this video and I will probably post up the next video Monday, I imagine, which will be of Teesside, obviously BDC round 2. So yeah, hopefully see you at the event, and if not, catch the video on Monday. Thanks for watching.